Okay, today I'm going to show you how to optimize the images on your WordPress site using a few free plugins. So the first one we're going to do is WP Smosh. So we're going to want to log into our site. We're going to go to add new plugins and we're going to type in WP Smosh. And they do have a free and a premium version, as do all the plugins I'm going to show you right now. We're going to work with the free versions. And the advantage of optimizing your images is so your web pages can load faster. Okay, so we have installed and activated. We're going to do bulk smush. Now, the free version will only do 50 images at a time. So there's only 14 images on this site, so we're well within that range. And if we did have more than 50, we would just have to keep hitting the bulk smush button for every batch of 50. So it's just going through. It's about halfway done. 27 images so far have been smushed. And while that's doing that, we're going to go and add another plugin called, let me just dismiss that, called Image Optimizer. So I'm just going to search for and we're going to install and activate that. Let's see. Okay, so our WP Smush has been completely completed, and it's done a total of 56 images. Now, there's only 14 images on the site, but as you upload images into your WordPress site, it does create multiple sizes. So that's why a total of 56 were optimized. So we've also added our image optimizer. So we're going to have a new menu item here that says bulk optimize, and we can go in there and we can scan. There's 64 images. This actually found 8 more images than WP Smush found, so that's pretty interesting there. So while that's happening, I'm going to show you my favorite plugin, which is TinyPNG. We're just going to search for TinyPNG. It's actually called Compress JPEG and PNG images. We're going to install and activate that. Now this one's a little different because it will require an API key to work properly. So we're going to go to the settings of that page. It's going to ask me to register for a new account. I'll just put test and test and hit register. And what will happen is an email is sent to that account. And let's get our email here. Activate your account. We're going to activate it. And then as soon as that happens, we'll be able to come back here to media, and it's going to retrieve the account data. The account is active. Now, we can go back to bulk optimization. And this interface is a little cooler because it actually will show us the amount of savings that we've completed in optimizing the images. So our image optimizer has completed. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the two plugins I've already showed you, WP Smush and Image Optimizer. And then we're just going to wait for, this actually might take a little while, so I don't know if I'm going to completely sit here, but I will be right back. Okay, so image optimization has completed, and you can see that there was almost 70% savings using this plugin. I absolutely love this plugin, and you can see we went from 5.6 megabytes down to 1.75. Now this is going to dramatically increase the speed of the pages on your site, because as they load up these images, the images are now smaller in size without losing quality. So this is TinyPNG, and it will allow you about 100 images per month on the free version. If you have thousands of images, it will estimate the cost for you, and you can see if that cost is within your budget. But I highly recommend this plugin if you want to optimize your images to their maximum capacity without losing any quality. So I did go through these 3 plugins pretty fast. So if you do have any questions, please comment below, and see you next time.